From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon. I'm student meteorologist Tucker Antico with your Cnet forecast. And if you take a look outside right now near Beaver Stadium, you'll notice the skies are very clear and we have a few of these puffy clouds in the air. Those are fair weather clouds, so it's going to be really nice and sunny for the rest of the afternoon, it seems. Temperatures are sitting at a nice, comfortable 75 degrees, and we have a really nice, light southwest wind. So really beautiful weather this afternoon. And if you look across the state, really stays that way across most of the region. A few showers out here in the northwest part of the state, but that's about it. It's really a great day, especially if you're in central Pennsylvania. Our next system we're watching, though, is out here, and you can see it sort of in the Minneapolis area, Wisconsin, and the Great Lakes states being affected right now. And this is going to shift into our area over the next couple of days, and that's what we're watching that's going to make a difference in our weather and change the pattern as we get into the weekend. I'll have more on that in just a minute. Now here's the current temperatures outside. State College, as I mentioned, of course, 75 degrees. Warm out here in Pittsburgh, 82, and actually a little bit cooler if you're looking down here in the southeast. Philadelphia, 75. Allentown, only 71 right now, so the warmer weather is certainly sitting in the southwest part of the state. And as we go through overnight hours, you're going to notice the temperatures don't actually drop that much, 66 here in State College, so still holding on to that summer-like feel. And as we get into the afternoon again, warming up a lot, 74 in State College, the western half of the state again in the upper and mid-80s, and over in the eastern half, even reaching the 70s, so not too bad across the state. But I want you to watch really closely now. We're going to have a front move through, and it's going to bring in much cooler weather. So watch it come in from the west to east here. Here it goes around the evening time and getting to State College overnight. This is what we're watching to change the pattern as we get into the weekend, and you'll see it exit out over in the morning. But temperatures won't warm up much as we get in the afternoon. Saturday, 1 o'clock, only 59 degrees here in State College. So that's the cold front. This is going to be the big change in the pattern, and you're going to see it again here on the radar. Overnight, a few drizzle, overcast skies, nothing too intense. Then as we get into tomorrow, you notice skies clear a little bit, and these thunderstorms and showers begin to pop up in the afternoon. Now, this isn't the main event, but it'll help limit temperatures tomorrow. But just as we saw before, that big line that came from the west to the east, you're going to see it come in again here. And here are these storms. They make their way into our area. Saturday around midnight, we're going to have it come through our area. And this is the cold front right here. So all this air behind it is blasting out of the northwest. And it's really going to make a big difference as we get into next week, feeling a lot more like fall. Now, it is also worthwhile mentioning that the Storm Prediction Center has us in a slight risk for severe weather. Now, this can mean there might be damaging winds, small hail, even a very, very low chance for tornadoes. The big question is, how far are these storms going to make it before they break up? And it's a tough one to answer right now. Storm Prediction Center, of course, has us in the slight risk, though you're going to want to stay tuned as we keep you updated on what the storms are doing as we know more as we get into tomorrow. Now, here's a look at tonight's weather. Temperature is really not bottoming out that much. There will be some drizzle, so not a bad night to be out, but definitely not the best. Tomorrow, the daytime looks pretty nice until we get to around 3 or 4 o'clock when those storms begin to pop up, and the main event comes in the evening, 10 o'clock to midnight. That's when we could see the severe weather come through our area. And if you look at our 7-day forecast, you'll notice how quickly those temperatures drop off from Friday to Saturday and really just hold on for the rest of the week. Monday really only reaching 66 degrees. A little bit warmer once we get to Tuesday, and then Wednesday and Thursday looking a little bit nicer, though 70 degrees and not much above. So really feeling a lot more like fall. So if you enjoy that weather and you can make it past tomorrow, you're going to really enjoy the rest of next week. I'm student meteorologist Tucker Antico. Have a great afternoon.